Good day, friends. There are two questions or doubts which have been persisting for some time in the minds of the students, and they have been asking me as well. The first question is, sir, which scheme will apply for 2023 exams? Whether it is May or whether it is November, whether the old scheme, which is the existing or the current scheme, will that apply, or will the new scheme of education and training, which is proposed to be implemented by the ICAI in some time, will that apply? So it was clear that as far as May 23 exams are concerned, the new scheme will not apply. The old or the current or the existing scheme will continue to apply. Doubts were persisting as far as the November 23 attempt was concerned. So yesterday, that means on 8th of February 2023, the Board of Studies has issued a statement, has issued an announcement for students at intermediate and final level appearing for November 23. And it says that students may note that November 2023 CA Intermediate and final examinations would be held under the existing scheme of education and training. So this makes it clear now, and this closes the issue as to which scheme will apply. So both May and November 2023 exams will be implemented based on the existing or the current scheme. So you need not worry, you need not bother. There will be no change in the study pattern, in the syllabus, in the course, etc. So as far as taxation is concerned, you already have TaxBook Plus, which is fully up to date, and it will be fully applicable for both May and November 23 exams. The new scheme is most likely to be implemented from May 2024 exams and onwards. The second question which is being asked by students currently is, sir, whether the provisions of budget 2023 are relevant for May and November 23 examinations, whether we need to study these budget amendments as well. So budget, as we know, was recently presented by the Honorable Finance Minister on 1st of February. And once the proposals are approved by the Parliament, then these will be enacted as Finance Act 2023. So whether Finance Act 2023 provisions or amendments are applicable for May or November 2023 exams is the question. So this is the law which is relevant for income tax and for GST as far as our exams are concerned. So for May and November 2023 exams, what is relevant is the income tax law as amended by Finance Act 2022. Plus circulars, notifications, etc. issued up to 31st of October 2022 as far as May exams are concerned, and up to 30th April 2023 as far as November exams are concerned, and relevant assessment year is 23-24. So Finance Act 22 is relevant, Finance Act 23 is not relevant, right? Even if the amendments proposed in Finance Act 2023 apply to assessment year 2023-24 or from an earlier assessment year, that means even if the amendments are retrospective in nature, even then those amendments will not be relevant for May and November 23 exams, because what is relevant is Finance Act 22-23 is not relevant, so you need not worry on this count. Similarly for GST as well, the CGST and IGST Act as amended by Finance Act 22 plus notification circulars up to the date, same date basically, that are relevant for income tax are applicable for May, November 23 exams. So even for GST, Finance Act 23 is really not relevant. Your TaxBook Plus is fully updated based on Finance Act 2022. You need not read anything extra, and therefore this should be sufficient as far as your preparations for both May and November 23 exams are concerned.